Start with a slip knot and chain 30 plus 1 chain extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 6 plus 1 chain extra for the turning chain. One double crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one. And continue with one double crochet into each and every stitch. This is the next stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next run, one single crochet into the first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and into the next stitch we'll make a shell stitch. That's 5 double crochets into the same stitch. Five double crochets into the same stitch. That's one shell stitch made. Skip the next 2 stitches and into the next stitch make one single crochet. Repeat this in the rest of the stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches and into the next stitch make a shell stitch. That's 5 double crochets into the same stitch. Skip 2, one single crochet into the next stitch. Skip 2, one shell into the next stitch. Skip 2, one single crochet. Skip 2, one shell. And in the last stitch make one single crochet. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2, insert hook into the second chain from the hook. That's the first chain which you have made, and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through the last 2. That's a turning chain made and one double crochet made. With this method you'll have straight edges. Next round, one double crochet is already made with the turning chain. Now make 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. That is the first stitch, and 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. That's total 3 double crochets into the first stitch. Now make a single crochet into the middle stitch of the shell stitch. That's the third stitch. 1 2 3, this one. One single crochet into the middle stitch. Skip the stitches of the shell, and next we'll be working into the single crochet. Make a shell stitch into the single crochet. That's 5 double crochets into the same stitch. Next, one single crochet into the middle of the shell stitch. 1 2 3. This is the middle stitch. Skip the stitches, and this is the single crochet. One shell into the next single crochet. That's 5 double crochets. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. One single crochet into middle of the shell. One shell stitch into the next single crochet. One single crochet into the middle stitch. One shell into the single crochet. And now in the last stitch, make 3 double crochets. This is the last stitch. You started off with 3 double crochets, so you'll end with 3 double crochets. This is how it will look. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, one single crochet into the first stitch. Skip the stitches, and now we'll be directly working into this single crochet. Make one shell into this single crochet. That's 5 double crochets. One single crochet into the middle stitch of the shell. 1 2 and 3. One shell into the next single crochet. This is a single crochet. 5 double crochets. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. One single crochet into the middle stitch of the shell. That's a third stitch. One shell into the single crochet. That's 5 double crochets. One single crochet into the middle stitch. One shell into the single crochet. Skip the next stitches, and here in the last stitch make one single crochet. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's a turning chain made and one double crochet made. Now just keep repeating the last 2 rounds, that's round number 4 and round number 5, until you reach the size which you need. We'll start with the repeat of the round number 4. One double crochet is already made. Make 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. One single crochet into the middle of the shell. One shell into the next single crochet. And continue with the stitches. This is how the pattern will look. One double crochet is already made with the turning chain. Now just make one double crochet in each and every stitch. This is the top of the shell. This is a single crochet. Now continue with the stitches. 1 double crochet into each and every stitch. Make the last double crochet and weave off your line. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.